The best scenes in the new Fantastic Beasts was for sure the scene in which there was that dragon lion thing. Zouwu! I don't know how to say the name. And Newt used the cat toy. It was very hard to find a picture, a clear image of this cat toy thing. I don't know why they didn't create a real toy about it, but when I saw that scene, I really wanted one for Foggy, my cat, so I decided to make it. And I also decided to make a tutorial so you guys can make your own. And now, let's start! Okay guys, so to do this toy, I used some stuff that I had at home. For example, this feathery thing, a black pom-pom, and googly eyes. First of all, I glued the eyes to the black pom-pom. Then I glued the pom-pom to the feathery thing, and then I added more feathers that I had at home. When you try to recreate this toy, please do your research and try to use artificial feathers or cruelty-free molted feathers. Since my cat loves bells, I also added a couple of bells to this toy. And now you can stick the toy or glue the toy to your wand. And that's it! What you think of this cat toy inspired by Fantastic Beasts. It's something that you simply pop in on your wand when you want your cat's attention or whatever magical cat you might encounter. And let me know if you saw Fantastic Beasts. Let me know if you liked it or not. Tell me the story of your life in the comments below. As always, I say hi to all the people who tweeted me or sent me a cute message, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah!
Roxyrockstv, Roxyrockstv. You are watching Roxyrockstv, watching Roxyrockstv.